Now do I gotta pull it?
So Dada will tell you when, okay?
Yeah, he'll tell you when.
Now?
You gotta wait a second.
Dada,
It's not ready yet.
It's only 20 psi.
don't go crazy.
Okay, Winona, go.
Crazy.
Go. Pull hard. Pull in.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Go back over there. Mommy, you do it, right?
You did great, Win.
Thanks, Mommy.
That was awesome.
I'll do it again.